So first Friday after starting the demo, we got all of the strapping and the baseboards off. There's actually a little bit of strapping left here around this window. I took off the strapping around this window over here and found that the pieces actually extend further into the ceiling. I had to snap them off because I don't have a saw in the room right now. So we decided to leave these ones for now until we bring back a saw. Yeah, we took off all the baseboards from in here. Even ripped up some of the ram board. Did a nice sweep. We discovered the mysterious connection for the air return here. There's like just an open space back here that I'm covering up with some 2x4 and some insulation right now. Yeah, there's a grate out on the other side of this plaster, and then open space, and then it connects it to this. It would flow into this box where we think there must be a hole inside this box somewhere into the floor for the return, but we haven't opened it up yet. We're waiting until it's a little cleaner in here in case we just want to minimize the amount of dust that we get into the HVAC. And yeah, we resecured the poly on the ceiling, on the vaulted ceiling. We're a little concerned. I don't know if you could tell through the poly, but there's this black material that's coming out of the roof. It was originally, so there was like plaster, and then this black material, and then some pink insulation, and then the plyboard of the surface of the roof. I'm concerned that this black material is asbestos, so we took a sample of it and we'll get it tested. Yeah, it looks fibrous when I cut off a little piece of it, so yeah, a little concerned about that, but luckily we're already working with respirators, and yeah, that's it for today.